Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering and verifying the calculator so nothing interrupts your work. Insert fresh AAA and the backup coin cell. Make sure contacts are clean and seated. Once done, press on and adjust contrast with second plus up or down so the display is clear. Then check the OS and model using second then mode. This matters because programs and apps require the correct OS. If updates are needed, prepare a cable and computer for the next step. Now you configure modes and enter your first functions to get meaningful outputs. Open mode and pick function, then set angle units to radian or degree based on the problem. Choose float or a fixed decimal to control precision. Next, press Y equals and type the expression carefully, using the variable x, t, theta, n key so the parser reads it right. Then set the window or hit zoom 6 for a standard view. Press graph to render. Make adjustments if features look clipped or too compressed. Finally, you analyze and preserve your work to finish with confidence. Use trace for quick value inspection. Press second, then trace to access calc tools like 0, minimum, maximum, and intersect, because they give exact coordinates quickly. Store key results with SDO arrow into a variable and recall them from vars later. Make a backup with TI Connect before major changes. If the calculator freezes, try a RAM reset or OS reflash. Make sure to backup files first to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.